Ayan! Hello lovelies! Welcome back to my channel! For today's video ay mag-unboxing tayo at magre-review tayo ng bagong chocolate sa aking paningin. This is the Baileys chocolate given by hubby's co-worker Amores Almonte aka Enrique Suave. Thank you Amores for this box of chocolate. So we'll open this one. This is first. This is something new to me. Baileys is a brand of wine, drinks, or liquor. So mayroon na pala silang chocolate. So ating i-check. Sa mga nakatikim na pala nito guys, ano ang masasabi nyo? So this is Baileys chocolate made with real Belgian chocolate. Contains real Belgian chocolate, chocolate flavor with other natural flavors. So, this is a product of Ireland. Okay, so itong kanyang box. Talagang isang buong box ang bigay. Ayan. Ito pala yung same person that gives me the seltzer from last week, vodka seltzer. Kasi yung misis niya, his wife worked with a wine company or liquor company. So this is a sample something like this. Product of Ireland. Ayan. Okay. Atin ang buksan. Ayan. Oh my! Tingnan guys. It looks like, wow, this is something new. Oh my goodness. This is chocolate inside a small bottle. Oh my, look at that. Should shake it well. Is this for real chocolate? Or maybe this is drinks. We will open one. So there are how many bottles? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 4, 20 bottles. Oh my! Ting! Ting! Yan lovelies, nabuksan ko ng isang bottle. Tingnan natin kung ano ang kanyang hitsura. Tagal naman mabuksan. We'll pour it here. Oh my! It looks like a chocolate drink. Let's see. Hey, that's it. Very surprising. It tastes real good, but it's very strong. Nakakalasing yun siya, nakakalasing.